Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to renew Etisalat SIM card without UAE pass. For that, first of all, you need to simply open your Etisalat UAE application on your phone. Once you have done that, simply tap on the option of login on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you will see a bunch of different login options, including with UAE pass. But since we don't want to use the UAE pass option, the only options that you have are login with the help of your UAE account or with the help of your username. So you can choose any of these options. Simply enter your mobile number. After that, you need to verify your identity using the OTP which is going to send on your registered number. So once you log into your account, you are going to see your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen, or on the home page itself. You just have to look for the option of mobile registration renewal. If you are not able to see the option, it is going to look something like this, and most probably it is under the quick access option. So after clicking on the mobile registration renewal option, you will be redirected on the next page. Among the given options, you just have to simply choose the account or the mobile number which you want to renew. Then you just have to select the option of facial recognition instead of using your Emirates ID. After selecting it, simply follow further on-screen instructions in order to authenticate your facial recognition. Make sure that you position your face inside the frame and complete the facial scanning process. Just make sure that you are in the good lighting and keep your face steady. Once you have done that, simply review the details and submit your request. You can enter your primary contact details, agree to the terms and the conditions, and tap on the option of submit. So in most of the cases, the approval is instant, or you will receive the confirmation by the SMS shortly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.